Doing better than good. Why New Year's resolutions fail. I bet you have decided to do something new in this new year. Most people call it the New Year's resolution. It might be pushing your limits and achieving greater goals, or promising yourself to eat healthily, or even getting better grades on exams. But let's face the truth. In a month or two, as research says, 80% of the resolutions fail. So, where do we go wrong? Are we not good enough to be better? Or is it just our bad luck? Setting up a new goal is not a Herculean task, but achieving it requires perseverance. For starters, it is very important to set up realistic goals which can be achieved. For example, if you want to be a bodybuilder, you cannot aim at becoming Arnold Schwarzenegger within a year. You cannot enjoy the view from the top floor unless you climb every step. These steps are the means that will take you to your end. So never give up. Hence, the first step would be to frame a realistic goal and writing it down, which will keep you alarmed about your goal. It often happens that we fail to appreciate our own selves for achieving a new step, which brings us to the second reason why you fail in achieving your goal. Hence, it is essential to treat yourself when you achieve a new target. It is like getting an incentive for doing hard work at your workplace. Let's say, in general, you can run for 15 minutes in a stretch, but one day you push your limits to run for another 5 minutes on the goal you have set. Then you should treat yourself maybe with an ice cream or a bar of candy. It really encourages you to follow up on your resolution. Reaching the finishing line might be difficult, but it is not impossible. There are many people all around the world who have achieved great heights with very limited resources. In popular culture, we have come across movies like The Pursuit of Happiness, where we have seen the protagonist, Chris Gardner, setting an example out of himself by proving that it is your education and hard work that will bring out the best in yourself. So it is important not to waste your energy by giving excuses, but use that energy to get closer to your goal. In a soccer field, the ball does not move by itself to get inside the goal post. The players have to make sure that it does, for which we have to face several obstructions. Similarly, in your life, there will be several tackles and injuries, but at the end of the day, you will have to make sure that you finish the task that you have planned to. It is also very important to be around positive people who will encourage you rather than demotivating you in achieving your goal. People will try to prove that you are not good enough. These negative vibes might discourage you, but always remember that failure is not an option. It is very important to be around positive company all the time. So, this new year, let's make it a point to be honest to ourselves and taking tiny steps to bring out the best in yourselves. Let's not just watch a few inspirational videos on YouTube and get busy with your mobile phones chatting with people, but be a source of inspiration for someone who will be planning for his or her resolution in 2025. We all want to do something good in our lives, but let's not settle with less. We can surely do better. We can be better than good.